Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I've got something interesting to show you guys. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like the video. And now I will show you guys what is the interesting that I got. Let me show you. Ta-da! It's actually a pan rod. It's quite cool, right? See guys? It's a pan rod. Let me show you. So actually it's extended. It's a pan rod with a reel. There you go, it's a reel. And this is the rod. This is it guys. Let me show you guys. It's actually extend about 1 meter. Okay, got stuck here. There you go. See it guys? Extended to 1 meter. It's actually quite convenient. And you got the reel here to attach. Actually quite simple, you just put it here. How do I put it? Okay. Okay. Just like that. See guys? Just like that, the rod. So simple. You know what guys? Let's go and try it.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how.
I actually lost now. I don't know where is it. Where's the fishing pond or the place to fish? Kind of like lost. I'm in the middle of like nowhere. And there's a lot of like duck right now. I can turn around. There's a lot of ducks around. Like a farm. So I don't know where to go. So I'll just ride around and let's see where this road actually leads me. It's actually was supposed to be around here. The map shows it's around here, but now it's, I don't know where is it now. So just stay tuned and see me where I go next. Alright. Hey guys, so halfway through going to the fishing, I'm gonna get some breakfast. So right now behind me is a street stall. I'm going to try out the pancake and also a banana. So I'm gonna put the banana inside the pancake and eat it. So let's try it out. So alright guys, I've already got a pancake from the store. This pancake and also the banana. Actually they are separate, but I want to try it together. So this is the banana. So I'm gonna eat it like this. You can see it. So let me try it out. It's quite simple. It's actually only 5,000, which equivalent to like only 30 cents. So let me try it out. It's a little bit dry, but it's quite interesting as in like the texture is very dense. So I think it is a good breakfast. It's a good breakfast to start off before I go fishing. Okay. So this one is made by this lady here. So a very sweet lady. So how much is it?
3,000.
5,000. Can I get discount?
No.
No discount?
No.
Why? Why? I don't look handsome?
No.
No? Okay, so guys, no discount for me today. So it's a 10,000 with the banana and also the pancake. Okay, so guys, I decided to fish at a river. So right now, I'm just putting this thing in the hole like that. Can you see the hole too? So I'm gonna tie the hook and then I'm gonna throw at the river. Show the river over there. Alright guys, it's super hot. I'm just waiting for the fish. I'm still fishing right now. I'm still waiting for the fish. So hopefully I get at least one fish and I can test out this rod over here and then how durable it is. So basically it's a waiting game. Okay, see you if I caught any fish. Okay, stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, the rod and the reel, there's no more line because my line got stuck, and this reel is actually just very limited line. And now, yeah, I didn't get any fish, but I went to a nearby restaurant. It's over there, that side. Yep. So the boss actually borrowed me a real long fishing rod to actually try to catch the fish. How nice of him. And I will show you guys the rod. It's super long, so hopefully I can get a fish with this rod. Let me show you. This is the rod. You see how long is the rod? So it's so hopefully I can catch something with the rod. And with the fish, maybe the boss actually said that I can actually bring home or basically just cook at the restaurant itself. So hopefully I get something, and then I will just go there and get something. Alright.